finally.
abbiegen auf Zommerdijk N375.
The boat gets in. Look at this, guys. So only in Netherlands that the bridge are possible, that the boat can get in and out. Look at that. Those, have you seen that? It's getting out. So the bridge is open.
There's another boat
see?
coming.
In Netherlands, everything is possible. On the other side, yeah. Oh, see? O, diba? That's a bridge. Both are passing. So they have to leap up the bridge. Oh, diba bongga? Bababa na siya, babalik na siya. Oh, see? Everything is possible here.
There's a heavy counterweight up there.
Yeah. Meron din ganyan sa sa atin. Sa Cuxhaven. Pero dito, tingnan mo. O, diba? Finally, we witnessed. Ang galing. And see? Back to normal. Kala nyo train lang dadaan, ho? May boat din. Oh, diba? Only in Netherlands.